Set on 13 beautifully landscaped acres in Ferrisburgh, 1233 Satterly Road is a rare Vermont country estate designed for both comfortable living and exceptional equestrian use. Inside, a welcoming entry leads to bright gathering spaces that connect seamlessly to the heart of the home. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed with a generous center island, abundant workspace, and an easy flow that makes everyday living and entertaining effortless. A formal dining room offers additional space for hosting family and friends, while a beautifully finished bath adds style and convenience to the main level. The living room is the centerpiece of the home, highlighted by soaring two-story windows and passive solar design that brings natural light and year-round comfort. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms overlook the surrounding countryside, accompanied by a spacious full bath and a peaceful primary retreat. The finished walkout lower level provides valuable, flexible space for media, work, hobbies, or storage. Above the garage, a private entrance leads to a stunning studio apartment featuring vaulted ceilings, a full kitchen, full bath, laundry area, and endless possibilities for guests, extended family, caretakers, or rental income. Outside, raised garden beds complement the property's beautiful landscape. Beyond the home, the equestrian facilities are truly extraordinary. The horse barn includes multiple stalls, tack room, office space, and a massive hayloft, with direct access to the riding arena. Additional buildings include a remarkable 60 by 110 clear span structure, heated workshop space, and extensive storage for equipment, hay, livestock, or recreational vehicles. Whether you're an equestrian, hobby farmer, or simply seeking a Vermont property with unmatched versatility, this is a rare opportunity to enjoy country living on an exceptional scale.